this one?
Yeah, I'll give it a shot. I mean, I wish I could let you try. Let me see. Hang on. Let me see if you can still do it. Oh yeah, if you go slow, you can do it. Yeah, just turn it off. This one's got a... You can just jump in the water too. Okay, I'll jump in. It's not a big deal. Oh, you don't? There you go. Sick. I think it's a lot of fun. Oh man, that is night and day with that hydroturf. Sounds mean. This was the 60, right? Yeah. It's awesome how you can do that. Yeah. All right. You just hit the gas. There you go. And then the trim, yeah, it's on the left handlebar right here. Yeah, you can go up and down, you'll see it. As long as you're in forward, you can trim it up and down, wherever which way. Just don't gun it because it's the wear ring, but just go like slow. It's easy to do. You just go back and you just go real slow and it'll go up. Yeah, that's just a brake and a reverse. Holding it goes in reverse, tapping it goes into neutral. Little bit harder. Are you trimmed all the way up? Everybody looks so funny. Yeah, keep going, keep going. There you go. There you go. He's getting it. The exhaust is completely unnecessary. Keep going, higher. There you go. The wear ring is shot. If it wasn't, you'd be able to... That thing like backflips. Yeah, if the wear ring was intact, you just... It's a sick ski. I mean, I got that for like 6,200 or something, so that's... Well, that's what they cost now. Here, I'm gonna kind of go quick. I want to see what it does. I was gonna say, try that one out now. It's so weird. That one is like, it feels like this one does. Have him try that one out. It feels like this. Well, yeah, that's what I was saying. Just hop. What's that? I'll toss it over.
I gotta tighten those bars though.
Yeah, I did feel it. That's why I didn't go.
Squeaking.
That's why I didn't. Yeah, those bars always squeak. Always. Since the day I bought it.
Are you trying to fit for a switch?
Yeah, you could just.
Go bend that part.
Yeah, you can. You can just jump in and hop on that, and you can grab that one. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, yeah. I want you to try this one. It's not much different. I'm telling you, it's like. Oh, you jumping? Oh shit! That you don't want to. All right. Not like it. No, you're good.
It's nice out, dude.
Oh, dude, it's beautiful.
Well, I'm gonna go nice and slow with this because somebody broke it.
Well, you know, you got to do it sometimes. Yeah, that turf is something else. Yeah, there's no step on that. You got to drive on the back. Dude, the knee situation with this is so much better. Yeah, dude, that thing hooks for some reason.
We got better grips on it.
Yeah, I put the grips on.
I almost want to do
With
bumps, dude, are just torn up. I put tape on mine. It didn't help at all.
yeah, that's what I did with mine too. That's why I wear the gloves. People are making fun of it online. I'm like, dude, the gloves really help. Those you got to keep your hands pretty wide apart because that hurts your hand even more.
Man, I'm not used to these lower.
I know. They hook, I'm telling you. I know. It hooks for some reason. I have no idea why.
80, 90.
What's that?
I did like 80, 90 RPM.
Yeah, but that one hits about, well, the wearing hit 80. What's that?
What color is it?
The 1215.
Is that what I have?
I don't know, whatever you bought. I mean, did you get the... Which one?
I bought whatever one you told me to buy.
Did you get a custom pitched one? Yeah, that's
Hard to find.
probably the same thing. Yeah, it is real hard to find. Impros has it. Let's give it a shot. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. The green seat. What is up with it? I think I was starting to catch you because of the waves. Yeah, I have no idea, man. I have no idea. Dude, it just hooks. It's so weird, man. I have no idea. And I was like crouching and shit. But I put my feet on the back when I started to hit the bumps. That grate really does make a difference, I'm telling you.
It stays hooked up pretty well, but again, I guess I lose top speed on it. Just a little top end.
Maybe, yeah. I don't know. That's funny. I like the way it sounds, but I like the quiet too. Here, you want to switch them? Switch them and drift them. Oh man, the water's so nice. Impeller in the tune, that's it. And that's an 8500 too. That's what I'm saying, like, that's what I'm thinking. Like, I get on that ski afterwards, and I was like, oh man, but I wish you could try that with the impeller, man. I haven't been on this in a while. Jeez, what is up with this ski, man? This thing hooks. What is up with this ski? This thing hooks up. Yeah. This thing hooks up good. Holy shit. What the heck, man? What is up?
You see like 20 things? That's the best I can go.
Yeah. Holy shit.
You can get up to about 6,500 RPMs.
What's that?
Ease into it, you can get up to about 6,500 RPMs.
Yeah, this hooks. Holy shit. You hit the gas. Oh, there it goes. See, he's in the water. There you go, right up. I don't know. You ever do that? You tilt it and it screams at you? Yeah. Sitting down on a spark. Ooh. Ooh, did I hurt it? Hopefully I didn't hurt it. Nice. I got a check engine light on now. Oh man. It won't go into sport mode. Alright, there it goes. Scared me. Holy moly! The ski is so fast! I see him. Yeah. I wasn't doing nothing. I was just sitting down.
76 hours already.
I saw it. It's crazy. I have 34 on this one only.
Dude, I go out so much.
Yo, and I've had this one for 4 years.
Yeah.
That one I've had for like 2. All right, I'm gonna head in.
Yeah.
Let's go. Go. This thing is rowdy. What? Yeah, it's fine. This thing is so rowdy.
That's all I'm gonna do when I get one.
Impeller tune done.
I might just get these handlebars too.
Yeah, those are nice because these are real low.
They're too high right now. I'm like a random motorcycle.
Yeah.
It's up to 3,500 RPM, almost 7,800.
How fast?
I have no idea.
Oh, you didn't check the speed?